This motherfucker's fucking me up. This motherfucker's being... I'm fighting a bird, and he's being cheap. It's a goddamn bird! A bird! Yo, what's up guys? It's Gen Danger. And as you notice from this camera angle and this camera, it isn't my phone anymore. As you see, my phone is in my hand. I'm not using Epoch Cam anymore. I decided I have a camera. My family's had this camera for a while. It's 1080p. It's not the best, but it's not the worst, and it's definitely usable. So I thought, why not use it for my videos? So, yeah, obviously the camera is separate from, the game. So it'll obviously be overlaid, but all that is beside the point. I thought it'd be worth it to try it out. And we'll see how it is for this video. So we'll just be playing a few battles and stuff, testing out the game, and we'll just see how it is. I don't know if we'll be doing the story mode or whatever they have just yet, but we will see. But for now, we're just gonna do a few battles against CPU, try out the game, and just have fun. Oh shit, look, stand arrow for the fucking mouse. But I'm using controllers, so I don't think that matters. Hey, okay. Yes, this is McDonald's. I know what you're thinking. McDonald's at like 1 a.m.? It is 1:20, goddamn. I mean, it's open. It's just a drink. The food's already in my stomach. I know y'all saw that too, right? I mean, shit. Okay. Hey, I gotta turn on my headphones. I gotta turn my shit up. Fucking that bit when I'm on my... Okay then, I was about to go in, but... Oh my god, look at all these characters. Your Xbox, what the fuck? Oh, fuck with that. Yes. Are we starting the game immediately? I just started. Oh, okay. Tutorial. I don't need to read this shit. Alright, let's just go. Okay, I'm figuring this out. Boom, boom. My controller disconnected! Why is my... Hopefully it stays connected. I don't know how to play him. Oh. Alright. Come on. We're getting it. Come on, let's go. Boom, boom. Don't even try me with that. Boom. Grab that bitch. Yeah. Don't even try me. Come on. Do you know who you're messing with? Boom. KO. I don't even know what's going on. You tired? Yes, sir. This reminds me of Naruto Storm. Okay. Oh no, hold up. Up, down, down, up. I was off, let's go. JoJo Leon campaign now underway, but listen here, listen here, listen here. I'm playing JoJo Bizarre Adventure, and I'm not on an adventure. I don't know what rhymes with that adventure, but it doesn't matter. So, just be an all-star. Nobody is carrying on to my bar. We get a few drinks. Cup it nah. Cup it what? Yeah. Cup it what? Okay, let me get into the beat. Nobody want on the mind. Let me get into it. Let me get into my way. I don't need a fucking feet. I just do this shit on my own. Motelect, what you on, my bro? This ain't an arcade, it's versus. Now it's versus then. And nobody wanna tell me that I bitch on a Benz. And I'm rolling my whip, rolling my guys, and I'm rolling my what? Rolling my dick, rolling my dick. Shawty on my shit, shawty on my bitch, shawty on my baby girl, and I bought it. Bitch, I bought it. I don't know what to say. It's fucking 1 a.m. I cannot even rhyme. I can't do the time. I can't even tell. I can't even what? I can't even nah. I can't even bruh. I can't even fuck. So, All-Star Battle, I assume is like, I don't know. All-Star Battle and Arcade are one of the two have like something to do with story mode. We're just gonna go to Versus. If you guys do want to see gameplay on the story mode, let me know. I'll do it. I know I haven't finished Demon Slayer, bro. But that's because I'm recording it on the Xbox and it's such a bitch to set up sometimes. I get lazy. I don't have that many subscribers, so I kind of get lazy and I'm like, another time. But this is JoJo's. That's a different story, you know. JoJo's is my favorite anime, so it's like, I don't care. Yeah. A tournament. Alright, whatever. 3-on-3. Yeah. Knockout. Total points. Knockout. Player versus calm, carry over health gauge, sure. Infinite time, we'll do 3 stars, and let's just go. Alright, so we got a good list of characters. Hey, I own Joseph's scarf, it's upstairs in my room. But, shit. Oh, Gyro, okay, you know what, I know what I'm gonna go with. We're gonna do a list of my favorite characters. We're gonna Gyro and Kakyoin are probably my favorite characters. Thing is, I don't know who is at the top of the list. I haven't even watched or read I haven't read part 7, but I know from what I've seen and stuff, Gyro's my favorite. Pizza mozzarella, pizza mozzarella. Pizza mozzarella, pizza mozzarella, pizza mozzarella, pizza mozzarella, pizza mozzarella, pizza mozzarella. So this is the lineup. I took my favorite villains, you know, Kira and his version, and then Diavolo. Oh, I should have done Poochie, but it's alright. Weather Report and Foo Fighters are some of my favorite Stone Ocean characters. Final round? My boy, chill! Yeah, don't even try me. No one can deflect that emerald splash, bitch. Oh my god. Now, you ready? Boom. Once I learn how to like properly play this game and learn combos, how do I use my boy? That's not how I use my boy. Chill. Summoned him and it did nothing. Got it. I don't know how I did it, but I got it. It didn't kill him or do a lot of damage. Let's go! I'm too good, baby! Yes, sir, Kakyoin. You don't scare me, but the fact that I have little health does. So as much damage as I can get on you is the goal. Fuck! I did a decent amount. That's all we got for Kakyoin. But here is my boy. That's my man. I don't care about your child. I am on a horse the whole time? Okay, there we go. Spin! No, please! Got him. How do I block? Alright, get the horse, get the horse. What's going on? That shit almost took him out. Chill. Ba 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 ba. I don't know why I said ba 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 when it was one hit. Did my camera turn off? I think my camera might have turned off and I didn't even realize. Y'all ain't saying nothing? My camera is back. You could have said something. I don't know how long it was going. But how do I Alright. Chill. Chill. That motherfucker comboed me. Yeah.
Pizza mozzarella, pizza mozzarella, pizza mozzarella, pizza mozzarella.
Get his ass, get his ass. Get his ass. I blame that on y'all, but it's alright. This gives me a chance to try out the one and only Dio Brando. Hey, hey. Oh my god, look at the way he walks. Alright, chill. What am I? Am I a snail? Okay, get up, get up, get up, get up. Let me get up, let me get up, let me get up, let me get up. He won't let me get up. Hit him. Get him. Get him. Woo! Oh my god. Get his ass, get his ass, get his ass. Yeah. Hit him with that muda. Or don't. I won. Yeah. Bop. Hey, hitting my booty. Hitting my what? Oh shit, I meant to say I'm in her booty. I'm in her what? I'm in that squat. I'm in that ball. I'm in that huh? I'm in that Alright. Let's see what Maria is capable of. Chill. What you doing? Alright, chill. Bro, this man just silver cherry yet? Are we about to swap? Oh, Mike is in the way. No, we didn't swap. What the fuck? Okay, I forgot her stand is kind of like just magnetizing motherfuckers. I'm being fucked right now. Joseph, come out. Take care of your great-granddaughter or something. Did she just... Okay, boom. Ready? We hit her with that. We hit her with that. She blocked it. It's alright. I don't know what that did, but just grab her. Because hopefully... I'm not trying to lose this, bro. It's so close. No, please. Joseph, come out. Fuck her up, fuck her up, fuck her up. Grab her. No. Oh. Ah! Go, go. Get her ass. Get her ass. No, 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 no! Do you see how close that was? Did you see how close that was? It's alright, it's alright. Round two, round two. Let me get up. I'm learning how to play her. Her moves. What she do? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. That motherfucker rocked the shit out of me. I'm dead. I'm losing this. Your big boobs are not going to help, you magnetic piece of shit. Get out. Fuck. Respectable. Wamu is respectable. A warrior. Alright, bro, we get it. That's insane. I'm fighting a fucking bird. They got me out here fighting a bird. Yo, Poochie! Oh my god, summon the stand. Oh my god, what's going on? Yo, chill. Left and right, there's just shit going on. Oh, so you're gonna block my shit. Combo? Oh no, I got hit too. I was gonna say combo? Get out. Fuck this game. Fuck it. This bird is destroying me. He's being cheap. I'm fucking sick of you. You guys saw that. He was being cheap at the end. Now we're running that back. We're running that back before I end this. No, because a fucking bird being cheap is crazy. Oh my god. Is that all you know how to do? This bird is being cheap. Oh my god, this motherfucker. God fucking damn. Bitch, 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 bitch. Kill him first, don't be cheap. Come on. Hit, 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 hit! Woohoo! Screeching like a monkey, it was a bit too close to the mic. This motherfucker's fucking me up. This motherfucker's being... I'm fighting a bird, and he's being cheap. It's a goddamn bird! A bird! Look at him, he's being cheap! What do I gotta do? What's going on? Do you see this bullshit? Do you see this bullshit? I don't know if I want to fight again. I'm fighting a motherfucking bird who's being cheap as shit throwing ice project. No, one more. Third time's a charm. If this bitch beats me, I'm fucking... I don't know. Oh my god. This match just started and look at him. Is that all you know how to fucking do? Yeah, you want to be cheap, right? Nah. Run it back, run it back. Run it fucking back, you cheap piece of shit. Yeah, I'm getting the hang of it now. You're done for. He's gonna knock me into... Oh, that motherfucker bitch. Why are you not dead? Why? Why? That motherfucker's always being cheap. He's about to die. Oh my god, thank god. So how do I summon Made in Heaven? This is just White Snake. Oh, that bitch predicted it. He's done for. He's done for now. I'm done for. I'm done for. Oh my god, I barely hit him. I'm done for. That motherfucker came out. Move! My camera's red. I don't know what that means. I guess what that means, it's ran out of fucking recording footage. Oh my god. Thank you, bro. And maybe I should be cheap with them discs. Oh my god, move. No, I didn't move in time. Stop being fucking cheap. Oh my, I'm dead. I'm dead. If that hits me, I'm dead. Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm dead. I don't know how we did it. He hit. I'm dead. Oh my god. That's gonna. Yeah, that's gonna. I'm somehow alive. I don't know how I'm winning this. Move! Oh my god, I barely won! Fuck yeah! Let's go, I told that. I'm not playing this no more. That motherfucker cheap. I barely know how to play this game. If I knew the controls and how these fucking stand things and all this shit works, I would have beaten her. This motherfucker is a bitch. Oh my god, bro. I don't know what. I don't know, bro. No, that was a lot of bullshit. Pet shop specifically, I was. My not even evening, my day, my night, whatever you want to fucking call it, is ruined. I fought a fucking bird who was being cheap as shit. That motherfucker annoyed me in the anime, and now he's annoying me in fucking this game, bro. Nah, I'll practice, you know, I'll do some all-star battle or arcade or whatever the fuck. Just, you know, here and there. But, yeah. I'm probably gonna be playing some VR games soon, but I wouldn't count on that. I wouldn't count on that. I mean, I'd say what, give it fucking a month, 2 months? You'll see it by then. I don't know. This game kind of fucking pissed me off. I mean, that bullshit at the bro, pet shop. You saw it. He was being fucking cheap. I mean, bro. I don't mean to get aggressive, but goddamn. Well, I hope you guys did enjoy though. JoJo's is an amazing anime. If you haven't checked it out, please do so. Or the manga, you know, whatever you like. I do have a few more things planned for the future, but it is going to come out slowly. I do have a single that should be dropping in about a week or two. And then an album soon. Not an album, a mixtape technically. I don't give a shit. I hope you guys did enjoy the video though. There is going to be more content to come. I know things have been kind of slow lately. My bad. But with that being said, like... They interrupted me, but now we got dramatic music before I go. So you better listen. You better hope to God that you hit that subscribe button and I don't find you. Because Lord knows that when I find you, you're not gonna like it. The fucking music cut off. With that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy watching me play this game and raging over a motherfucking bird. But that's besides the point. Stay safe, take care of yourself, and stay comfy. I'll see you very, very soon.